I'm going to show you how to do a really nice coffee mocha soap. So I've got my oils to the right temperature and my lye solution. We're just going to take this to a nice light trace. I've also got 10 grams of a coarse ground coffee in a separate jug. Okay, so in goes the lye, and we'll just take this to a nice light trace as normal. And then start checking for trace, remember, don't leave it too long. Okay, that's perfect. I'm definitely at trace, so I can stop now. So the next thing is to add in any fragrance oil that you're going to be adding. It's always easier if you're actually stirring it as you add your fragrance. And then I'm going to split some of this soap off in with the coffee. So pour some of that in, and we're going to just stir all of this up. Okay, so mix this with your coffee grounds. I don't like adding coffee grounds directly into the lye water. I find that the coffee grounds suck the lye solution up into them, and then you can sometimes get little weeping caustic pockets afterwards. So I always end up adding my coffee grounds into my soap when it's already traced. That's lovely. Really get that working through. Okay, so once you've got it all completely mixed in, just start tipping it into your other soap. And then we want to just partly mix it. I don't want to totally mix it, I just want to partly swirl this through the soap itself. And then take your mould. We're going to use the pipe mould from before, and just pour all of that soap in. You can even see the lovely swirl on the surface. Just tap it a little bit on the sides to finish it off. And then give it a spray, cover the top with some more cling film, and then make sure that you insulate it.